catching feelings, baby.
Hey guys, it's Keandra and I'm back with another video, and this video is brought to you by LUVME Hair. I want to thank them for sponsoring this video, and let's get into what they sent me. So of course they always send goodies, so I got an edge brush, a edge wrap, and they also sent me a cute compact mirror, which definitely comes in handy when it's time to check that lace. And they sent me a 24-inch 5x5 HD closure straight wig, and I went ahead and customized it off camera, but I did a side part, but I'll also show you the middle part I did with this hair as well, because I've been wearing it all week and I've gotten so many compliments. Do you guys see how much body this wig has? Like, it has so much body, a nice natural luster. That was a tongue twister. A nice natural luster, and then inside it has plenty of combs and an elastic band that already comes with it. Literally all I had to do was cut the lace and put makeup on it so that it blended with my skin tone, and that was it. So this is the hair and a side part. No worries, I am going to adjust the hair to the side, but right now I'm just combing it out. As you guys can see, my brush just flows right through the hair. I don't get any snags, no tangles, no shedding. And I've only had to put heat on this wig once since I've had it. I do sleep with it on, and I usually just tie my lace down. I may put a little bit of spritz on it, and then I will wear one of those long bonnets, and that's it. And I just wake up every day and I just brush it out. I didn't do any baby hairs because I'm not really big on baby hairs, but I did do a little swoop on the side, because normally I do wear my hair behind my ears, especially when it's long like this, because it can get in the way. But other than that, it was super easy to install, and it was glueless, y'all. So I've been wearing this wig glueless all week, and as you can see, it just goes into my skin. So right now I'm just going to show you guys how seamless it blends into my skin. I can lift it, I can adjust it, and as you can see, my edge brush goes under it, and then it just goes right back into my skin, like I basically melted it. Now of course, if you want a stronger hold, you can add hairspray or Got2b or spritz just for a better melt. And I also wanted to show you guys me wearing it in a middle part as well. When I first got the wig, I wore it in a middle part first. And y'all, like, I feel like when you have a closure wig in a middle part and you want something glueless, it is so easy just to cut the lace off and go. Make sure you cut the lace jagged so that it's not straight across, so that you can't see the lace. But as you guys can see, all I did was cut the lace, and then I went with my wax stick and my hot comb and flatten out the wig, and it was super duper easy. I didn't do baby hairs as well on this part. I'm just not really good at baby hairs, but even so, this wig just doesn't need it. The wig, like I said before, kind of came pre-plucked, and the knots were somewhat bleached as well. And so basically all you have to do is just, you know, customize it and install it to your liking. And yeah, the hair is nice and long and full of body, and I just put makeup in my part to make it look a little bit more natural, and that was it. Literally the easiest install I've probably ever done, and again, it was also glueless. So yeah, this is the middle part that I did with this same wig. Hey guys, so this is the final look of the wig. This wig is 24 inches, y'all. It is super long. I'm only 4'11" and a half, so it's literally like half my body. But this wig is glueless, as you guys saw. I can literally lift it up and down, and it blends in so good. All I did was put makeup on the lace, and then if you want if you want it to melt, I would use some spritz, which I don't know where my spritz is, or you can use some hairspray or some lace spray, but you do not need glue. And that's why I love this wig. It's super easy to put on. It has lots of combs on the inside like I showed you guys earlier, so that you can just hook them into your braids. And then of course it has the elastic band too, and this wig is not going anywhere, y'all. So if you are interested in this wig, definitely click the link in the description box below. This is their 5x5 closure wig. I love closure wigs. They're extremely easy to do glueless if it's a closure wig. The hair is fine, no tangles, super soft, has lots of body, and yeah, so you can wear this of course in a middle part or a side part, but I personally just like a side part on me. And I've gotten lots of compliments on this hair, so this is probably going to be my go-to wig for a good minute now. But yeah, I really have no complaints about this wig. So if you are interested in this wig, make sure you click the link down below. I want to thank LUVME Hair for sponsoring this video, and until next time, bye guys.